Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Udemy is an online learning platform that provides learners with the flexibility to study at their own pace and choose courses that align with their interests and goals. Courses on Udemy are typically composed of pre-recorded video lessons, supplemented with additional resources such as quizzes, assignments, and supplementary materials. Students can access the courses through the Udemy website or mobile app, allowing them to learn anytime and anywhere. Furthermore, Udemy offers lifetime access to purchased courses, enabling learners to revisit the materials and continue learning even after completing a course. Udemy is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses on various subjects. It serves as a marketplace connecting instructors who are experts in their fields with learners who are eager to acquire new skills or expand their knowledge. Udemy hosts over 155,000 courses across a diverse array of topics, including technology, business, arts, health and fitness, and much more. Getting started with Udemy Business offers numerous benefits for both instructors and learners. Here are 10 advantages of diving into the Udemy Business. Reach a global audience. Udemy provides access to a vast global audience of millions of learners, allowing instructors to reach students from around the world and expand their reach beyond traditional classroom settings. Flexibility and convenience. Udemy allows instructors to create and deliver courses at their own pace, providing the flexibility to work on their own schedule and manage their business as per their preferences. Monetize expertise. Udemy offers instructors the opportunity to monetize their knowledge and expertise by creating and selling courses. It serves as a platform for instructors to turn their skills into a revenue stream. Passive income potential. Once courses are created and published on Udemy, instructors can earn passive income as students enroll in their courses. This allows instructors to generate revenue even when they are not actively teaching. Enhanced personal branding. Udemy allows instructors to establish themselves as experts in their fields by creating high-quality courses. This can enhance personal branding and reputation, leading to further career opportunities or consulting engagements. Feedback and improvement. Udemy provides a platform for instructors to receive feedback from students, allowing them to continuously improve their courses and teaching methodologies based on valuable insights. Access to analytics. Udemy offers robust analytics and reporting tools that provide instructors with valuable data on student engagement, course performance, and revenue generation. This information can guide instructors in making data-driven decisions to optimize their courses. Collaboration opportunities. Udemy facilitates collaboration among instructors, allowing them to co-create courses or participate in joint ventures. This can help instructors leverage each other's strengths and expand their course offerings. Continuous learning. Engaging with Udemy Business as an instructor necessitates continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest trends and developments in your field. This commitment to ongoing education can enhance personal and professional growth. Supportive community. Udemy offers a vibrant community of instructors and learners who actively engage with one another. Instructors can benefit from the support, advice, and networking opportunities available within this community. Overall, getting started with Udemy Business can be a rewarding endeavor, providing instructors with a platform to share their knowledge, earn income, and make a positive impact on the lives of learners worldwide. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment.
Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.